Weak and brittle nails can be caused by factors such as nutritional deficiencies and frequent exposure to water. A lack of essential vitamins and minerals can weaken the nails, making them prone to breakage. Additionally, regularly immersing the nails in water or exposing them to harsh chemicals can strip away moisture, leading to brittleness. It is crucial to consult a nail expert for a proper diagnosis, as they can assess the specific issues affecting your nails and recommend appropriate treatments to strengthen and improve their health. To combat weak and brittle nails, it's essential to keep them hydrated by regularly applying moisturizing nail oils. These oils help to nourish and strengthen the nails, preventing them from becoming dry and brittle. DIY nail masks and soaks can also provide a natural way to improve nail health. These treatments often involve ingredients like olive oil, coconut oil, or essential oils that can deeply moisturize and repair the nails. By incorporating these simple home remedies into your nail care routine, you can promote healthier and stronger nails. For those seeking more advanced solutions for weak and brittle nails, professional treatments can offer effective options. Strengthening nail polishes formulated with ingredients like keratin or biotin can help fortify the nails and prevent breakage. Additionally, experts may recommend specific supplements that can support nail health from within, addressing underlying deficiencies that contribute to nail weakness. By exploring these professional treatments under the guidance of a nail care specialist, individuals can target their nail concerns with targeted and proven solutions.